This is an example, how to check seal integrity of the sealed air-filled packets. So here we are taking two samples air-filled packets, one with pinhole and another with properly sealed, will behave when subjected to a predetermined vacuum. We are putting both the packets of potato chips inside the desiccator. Setting -450 mm Hg vacuum, and holding it for 60 seconds. Once test started, vacuum is been creating inside the test desiccator. Notice how they are bulging up. The packet having pinhole will bulge a bit slower as it has a pinhole from where air of the packet can escape. If the size of the hole is large, then might the packet will not budge or budge with more slower rate. Once the vacuum reaches desired set value of vacuum, that is -400 mm Hg, timer will automatically starts.
Once hold time completed, vacuum of the test chamber automatically released.